Hello guys, welcome to day 109 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I watched a video about elements in JavaScript, how to choose them, how to find them, and how to edit them. So I watched a video about 40 minutes and I took about 1 hour. I spent about 1 hour to take some notes from it, and now I'm going to spend about 20 minutes or 30 minutes to practice these codes with you and see how it goes. Okay, so let's come back to our website, which is here. As you can remember, this is my website that I have created in the day of 42 or 46 of my videos, in the day of 42, I think. And this is a website that I have created. It has some pages on it, and if I enter into website, it asks the user to answer to get a password to enter the password. If the user press the wrong password, it cannot come back to going into website. Or if the user entered the right password, which is 1 2 3 4, user can go into the website. So now first of all, I'm going to my codes here and trying to pick up some of these selectors or elements in my codes and just doing the practice and see how it goes. So we have a page called external page called JavaScript, but we used our Java codes here. I used it as internal at the top of my body tag. So for example, let's check my website. I have a tag here which is a p tag, right? So I want to choose this tag using querySelector and then edit the content of this tag. So I know how to edit this tag using the normal HTML or CSS. It's so easy. I just click here and change it. But our mission here is to use JavaScript. So I am coming to my external page of JavaScript, and in what I have learned in the course, it told me to type document. So if I say document, it will select all the codes that I have, but I'm not sure that if I type document, is it really choose all of my codes, or is it just a name that I just watched in the video? So let's just check that. I press document and then I say first element child. I'm just going to test it to see if it works. Control S. One problem I have here is how can I know how can I be aware of the first element child right now? How can I see the results? So in the video, the tutor just used the console here. She just used it here. Source. He typed document, but we are in VS Code which is a different place. And how can I see the result? I think it have a console as well. A new terminal. So we have a terminal here, right? If I say document, enter, the term document first child is not recognized as the name of the cmd let function script file or operable program. Check. I think we cannot use it here. So let's just close this for now. Get back here. What we wanted to do, it was to find the p tag, right? So I have to say a document querySelector. Here I have to choose the p tag, right? I think so, but it will choose, if I say querySelector p tag, it will choose only the first p tag that it finds. So I'm just press Ctrl F and see if I have, oops. Do you want to turn on the sticky keys? No. The p tag. Okay, we only have one p tag, so it will be no problem. I say document querySelector p tag. And after that, I press dot and I have to say inner HTML, right? After that, so let me check what was, should I put it in quotation? I have my documents here, my notes here. I'm just watching it to see the syntax. So inner HTML equal to quotation, and now I have to change the content. So let's just copy this for now. I don't want to lose it. Lorem ipsum content. So we say goodbye. So instead of the whole content here, we say goodbye. Pressing the Ctrl S here. Coming back to my document, pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, welcome. I hope it changed the content. What happened? I'm going to close this and open it again. Maybe the problem will be solved. Welcome. Yes, we changed the content to goodbye. Okay, but this was for practice. I don't want to change my content, so I'm going to bring it back to what it was. I'm going to comment this for now. Ctrl S, 1, 2, 3, 4, welcome. Okay, everything come back to normal. Now, I was thinking about a challenge. That challenge is when the user comes to my website here, instead of password, I ask the user if she or he is a male or female, for example. And if the user was male, I show it a different content, and if it was a female, I show it another content. So we are supposed to think that we have a website that the employee asked us to separate, I don't know, the female and male content. So I just want to see if I can do this. I'm not sure. It just popped up. This idea just popped up in my mind. So I hope I can do it, but it's just a challenge. I don't know. And by the way, guys, yesterday in my yesterday video, I tried to centralize, put this prompt in the center of the page. So I searched in the Google, but I didn't find any answer. So of course I used ChatGPT, and ChatGPT told me there's no way that you can put the prompt in the middle of the page, in the center of the page. But there is alternative, alternative way is to create a custom window for yourself and put that in the center of the page. So anyway, you cannot put this prompt, this default prompt, which is for a web browser, in the middle of the page. So I forgot to mention this. I think that if you come back to my yesterday video, I just wanted to let you know that there is no solution for yesterday video. Okay, let's come back here. So the user, the prompt should ask if you are male or female, right? So let's come back here. We have variable user pass prompt. I think I have to change the whole code in here. But somehow the code is still similar. I'm just copy it and paste it here because I want to practice on it. Make this comment, and let's create a logic behind what we want to create. We do not need to use while loop here, I think. But on the other hand, if I don't use while loop, the website only asks the user once, are you male or are you female? And if the user don't answer to those two questions, the site continues showing the page contents. So this is not what we want. The user have to answer one of those questions. Are you male or are you female? So I think we need that while loop, right? So the while loop is, I'm thinking of the logic behind what I want to code. One thing that I learned in the video course that I bought is when you want to create a logic, make a flow chart from it and work over that flow chart. But I never create a flow chart for my logics because I started to use the logics recently, and I just do it all over in my mind. So let's just do it as practice and see if it's good to paint, if it's good to use it. So how to create this flowchart? I think we have something called while loop. Call it while loop. Right? This is our while loop. And inside our while loop, we have if and else statements, right? So if I think this is the worst flowchart ever, but I never trained these things. If it was if male, let's write if male do something. So maybe this rectangle should be bigger. So we say we have a male question and we have a female question here, right? If male, male, I think I have to write it like this. If male, do something. If female, do something else. Female, do something else. Right? So what should do if it's if it's male? So if it's male, find the p tag, for example. Find the p tag. Find the p tag and change the content to, for example, it's just an example. Change the content to hello, I don't know, hello girl. Okay, so if female, change the content. Find the p tag. If it's female, find the p tag, and then change the content. This is not flowchart, of course, but it's helped me to organize my mind about codes. So we have the similar path here. So if male, find also the p tag. I have to edit this p tag, and change the content to something. Come on. Okay, that will do the work. Let's just save our flowchart. Of course, it's not flowchart, but it's good. Flowcharts. So while, right? Our flowchart is still need to work, to do some works. How to create this while loop? So what we need in the while loop? So in the while loop, we have to make sure that the user answer to one of these questions, right? So while something is true, we have to put a condition, and that condition should be how much time we have? We already spent 21 minutes. We spent 21 minutes. I think that's enough for today for myself. I worked too much. So I'm going to continue this tomorrow, and in the meanwhile, I'm going to think about while loop as well. How should I set what condition should I set for while loop? And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you also study with me whatever language you are trying to learn, and do the consistency. Thank you. See you tomorrow.